GeoBuddies. I hope you all are good and doing well. Today I will discuss the topic related to olivine family, and I hope you all will enjoy and learn something. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe. So now come to the structure of the olivine family. As we know, olivine family belongs to nesosilicate group of minerals in which silicon and oxygen atom ratio is 1:4. And here we can see these black symbol indicates the magnesium and iron ions which are bivalent, that means +2 valency. And in this structure we can see all the magnesium and iron ions are linking with silica tetrahedron C. So this structure indicates atomic arrangement of olivine showing isolated silica tetrahedron. And when we talk about the chemistry of the olivine group of minerals, so these are the magnesium iron silicates, and the general formula of the olivine family is X2SiO4, in which X indicates magnesium and iron, manganese and calcium ion. And on the basis of these ions, different kinds of minerals found in nature. As we see, if magnesium is present, that minerals will be forsterite. If iron is present, that mineral will be fayalite. If manganese is present, then that mineral will be tephroite. And if calcium is present, then that mineral will be larnite. And olivine is an abundant mineral in mafic and ultramafic igneous rock. That means it is found in deeper part of the earth, and also it is the component of the oceanic ridges and common phase in the upper mantle. Now come to the physical and optical properties of olivine group of minerals. So olivine group of minerals belongs to orthorhombic system, in which point group is 2/m, 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 and these minerals found in nature in the form of prismatic crystal with domes and pyramids. Hardness is generally 6 to 7. Colors of olivine group of minerals: shades of green, pale green, olivine green, grayish green, and this green is just because of the iron content present at the atomic level. Streak is generally colorless, luster transparent to translucent, fracture generally conchoidal fracture. Bright colors of second order, polarization colors, and optical sign is biaxial positive. Biaxial means, as we know, in which two optic axes are present, and optic axis means along with there is no double refraction. When we talk about the paragenesis of the olivine group of minerals, so first point is olivine is the essential minerals of the peridotites. It occurs in basalt, gabbro and dolerite. Dunite is an almost pure olivine rocks in which olivine content is more than 90%. Second point is olivine prefers to live deep in the upper mantle, where it makes up about 60% of the rock. Third point is olivine, generally forsterite and fayalite, is a major rock forming mineral in the oceanic crust and basaltic rocks, and the most common mineral in the earth's mantle. Fourth point is fayalite, that is Fe2SiO4, occurs in the acid lava. Forsterite is not stable in the presence of free silica and gets converted into enstatite. Here we can see when forsterite reacts with free silica, it converted into enstatite. Then come to the fifth point. Olivine is very susceptible to hydrothermal alteration, to the effects of low grade metamorphism and to weathering. Here we can see alteration of olivine, serpentinization. The process of serpentinization, through which olivine and pyroxene are altered into serpentine minerals, can be generally described by the reactions. Here we can see in the reaction, when fayalite, forsterite and water reacts with each other, it converted into serpentine. So before the reaction, fayalite, which belongs to nesosilicate, get converted into serpentine. After the reaction becomes phyllosilicate, and remaining products are brucite and iron hydroxide. Sixth point is forsterite, that is Mg2SiO4, is formed by the metamorphism of impure dolomite as in forsterite marbles. So here we can see impure dolomite reacts with silica, converted into forsterite, calcium carbonate and carbon dioxide. So this is all about the olivine group of minerals related to structure, chemistry, physical and optical characters and paragenesis. So I hope you all enjoy this video. Thank you so much.